Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my live trade what I did today. Okay, and also I'll be doing the live market analysis, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. So guys, yes, today is 28th of October and now we shall be doing a live trade. So let me just check out the pre-open market how it is today. So let's go to market data and pre-open market. So as you guys can see here, today the Nifty 50 is opening at 11,922.60, almost 0.28% up, and advances stocks are 35, declines are 9, and unchanged are 6. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap up. That is Bharti Airtel with 2.92% up, Hero MotoCorp with 2.85% up, and Tata Motors with 2.47% up. So these are the market is looking right now, and let's check the stocks which are opening in the downtrend. Shrikam with 0.80% down, Kotak Bank with 0.80% down, and Nestle India with 0.46% down. So this is how the market is looking. So yes, just in few minutes I'll be picking a stock and we'll be doing the live trade, so stay tuned for that, and I'll update you guys which stock I'll be trading and everything. So guys, I have selected SBIN to trade today. So the stock what I'll be trading today is on SBIN. Okay, so not yet taken any entry yet. Once I take any entry, I'll update you guys. And this is the Nifty 50 chart. As of now, the market is at minus 0.03% down. Yes, at the pre-open market we saw it was opening at 0.28% up somewhere, and now the market is down. Okay, so right now it's at minus 0.01%. So we'll see how the market will move and how the stock will move. So according to that, I'll take an entry. So I've not yet taken any entry yet. So once I take a buy or a short sell entry, I'll update you guys. The stock what I'll be trading today is SBIN. So we'll wait for my entry yet. Okay. So guys, right now I'm in a short sell position of SBIN. Okay, so I took a short sell entry. As you guys can see, the stock was not making much higher as to take any buyer entry here. So it was making lower loss, and I've decided to take a short sell entry again. So yes, 193 is where I have short sold it, and I'm waiting for my target to achieve like 0.5% target. That will be 1 rupee. So if it reaches 192 is my target, and this is the Nifty 50 chart. Okay, this is how the market is moving. So firstly it was trying to go up, it was like 0.28% up or something, and now it is again back to 0.01% down. It's in a between now, like it's not a plus or minus, so it's still in a range bound movement by Nifty 50. So we'll see how the market will perform and how my stock will perform, also the stock what we are trading. So 193 short sell on SBIN. Okay, so waiting for the target to achieve, so we'll see how it will perform. So at 193 there is a strong support, if you guys can see here. Okay, so if that is able to break, then the stock will go down easily. So we'll see. So yes, it's trying to break the 193 now. So yes, 193 again. So as you guys can see, a lot of quantities there. There is a support at 193. So if that support breaks, I think 192 will be touched easily. So yes, the quantities are getting lesser. So from 25,000 to 18,000. So guys, as you can see, 193 just got broke and the low made is 192.80. So yes, waiting for a target to achieve now. We'll see. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, it made a low of 192.10 and I managed to exit somewhere over here. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the trade of SBIN, and this was the call what was given to my client also. Even they booked the profit. Okay, and also guys, if you guys can see here, the Nifty 50 also is down. I mean the market is also down, like almost 0.53% down. Okay, so morning it was like 0.10% down or something, and at opening at 9:15 it opened at plus 0.28%, and now it came down to 0.52% down, minus 0.52% down. So yes, so this is how the market fluctuates in every single minute, so you need to be careful and you need to be checking how the market is and how it is moving. So according to that you need to take a trade. Okay, so not only observing the market, even the stock what you select is also important to keep observing that, and then know the stock trend and then trade according to it. Okay, so these are the things in intraday trading which you need to keep observing and follow to make a good profits. Okay, so anyways guys, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So guys, yes, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover the losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the client screenshot of profit what I've shared with me. So SBIN 1600 rupees profit. And also client has given a feedback that once he joined us, he is able to make a good and consistent profit. Okay, so you can read the message. 1467 rupees profit, 8451 rupees profit, and 2352 rupees profit. So these are the client screenshot of profit what they shared with me for today. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.